monthly chart. Okay, because we should trade. We cannot hold shares for several years, because you hold for 10 years, you cannot earn money. Okay, so we use daily chart. It's better for us. Okay, and you should follow this method. It's very useful, and we can see that now so many shares up already. Have another share can buy or not? So we see
what about the weekly MCD?
here, click weekly. But I suggest daily is better for us. Okay.
For looking for end of trend. Now you look monthly.
Yeah, monthly.
Can you use weekly for end of trend?
Can, also can. Then we see this one. We can see this pattern. This pattern is down, then to sideways. So good or not? This pattern is good. And which point is the good buy point?
Second.
Pink cross agrees.
Here, but buy more or less? Less. Okay. So we see this price. Which point, if you never buy, which point is the good buy point? If you never buy this share. If you have, you can hold. If you never buy, which point is the good buy point? Okay, we can see, we can draw the trend, okay? Okay, this is the downtrend line, downtrend channel. Okay, we see here, upright, upward breakthrough, but okay, if you want to know which point is another good buy point, you should see this point, 0.455. If can break out this point, you have another chance to buy. Because we can see the trend already breaks through, but whether effectively or not, we don't know. We should see whether the price can stay above for 3 days or not. If cannot, only for false breakthrough, okay? Then we should wait and see. But if you have, you can hold. If you don't have, you just wait and see and pay attention, okay? But this share is only for short-term investment. Then we can see which share is suitable for long-term investment. We should see the multicolor dragon. If the multicolor dragon is above 50 and there's no green color, it's suitable for long-term investment. So you should pay attention. Okay, you just can use this method to find some strong shares. Okay, then we continue. Summary about dragon flying high. This strategy helps you to find the most profitable period of investment and to judge whether the advanced stage is ending. As mentioned, you may use weekly or monthly chart to enhance your judgment. Where the daily chart is concerned, as long as there's no substantial increase in green MCD, red MCD didn't disappear, and the price of stock doesn't break down homely white lines, you may hold on to the stock. You may hold on your shares because we can see here. We can see homely rainbow. We see Okay. No, see another one. So maybe you see here. Maybe here you never sell. Then the price downward break out the white line. Maybe you think I should sell because long term is not good. So if you sell, then the price up again. So maybe you think you will feel very sad, okay? But you should know that if we see the white line still above, but you never sell at this point, you still can hold, okay? Because the long-term trend is good. So if you do long-term investment, you still can hold. Okay, this is the summary. Then we can see the strong shares. So how to judge your share is strong shares or not? We can see the homely rainbow and the multicolored dragon. So we see here, the share is above the white line, and there's no red color and no green candles, no green MCD and no red MCD. So we see here, during this period, you sell or not? No need to sell because it tells us that there's no red MCD and no green MCD. It tells us that this belongs to the medium-term retracement. So you still can hold because the price is still above the white lines. So we still can hold. Then here we see this point. We can buy again. Okay. Then if we buy here, we earn money or not? Actually, earn money is easy, but you should grasp the good method. Okay. Then if you follow this method, I think not 100% you make money, but 80% or 70% is good. Okay. Then we see here. So we can see during this period, the multicolored dragon, green, the red MCD decrease, right? But we can see the price here. It tells us that medium-term retracement, we still can hold, okay? Because only the retracement. Then we can see up again is another good buy point. So we should follow this method. We should grasp the good method for us to judge, okay? So let's see today's course. Review. If you use, so I'm happy that one member emailed to me. He followed this method to buy this share up already, earn some money, but sell quickly, but sell earlier, so earn little money. Okay, you should practice this method. So firstly, we learned the filter condition. About this filter condition is simple. You can try it by yourself. So this method is suitable for most stocks, especially for active stock. Okay. Then we can, if you see so many shares, we can further filter. Then we learned these two methods about dragon turning over and dragon flying high. Dragon turning over is like this. When we see here, the purple line is up and below the red line, volume increase. So the price is above the white line. Is for us, is good buy point for us. Okay. So this is the dragon turning over. The next one we learned this method. This one you should pay attention. If you see the pink line golden cross the purple line, is not good for us because maybe the trend will be reversed. Okay, so we see next one we learned dragon flying high. Dragon flying high is like this. When we see the red MCD above 50 or above 75, and we can see the purple line golden cross the pink line, then go further and further. So it tells us that the dragon flying high. So here, go further again. It also belongs to dragon flying high. Okay, so this is the method. I hope you can understand. And if you want to operate this method better, you can combine with the homely rainbow. Okay, so do you have any question about today's course? Yes.
For example, the K1 venture, there's the starting point.
K1 venture.
How to find out during the period can we use a filter?
So you see K1 venture, right? You have this share.
Can we find out from the filter?
Filter. How to filter these shares, right?
During the
Oh, okay. Then how to find the filter method? Maybe this PPT don't have. I can teach you. Okay. So we want to find the purple line. Go. You see here. When we see the filter method, we can see they have the fluffy chips and the purple line and the green line and the green color, but there's no pink line. Okay, so we cannot filter by pink line. Cannot do this. But if you have the shares, you can judge through this method. Okay. So if you have any question, thank you for attending the class and wish you have a nice weekend. Thank you so much.